the most brutal deaths on other planets. If you were to step onto Venus, this intense, scorching planet would crush you, like an empty soda can. The pain would be beyond anything you can imagine, but luckily, it wouldn't last long, just about 5 seconds. Though, those 5 seconds, they'd be the longest of your life. But Venus isn't just about pressure. It has another way to destroy you, one that's even more terrifying. The pressure here is 92 times higher than what we experience on Earth. To put it simply, your body isn't designed to handle this. The moment you step outside, your spacesuit would start crumpling instantly. A second later, the material would begin to collapse around you, like a crushed car in a scrapyard. There's no way out. Then, your body itself would give in. Within 2 seconds, your muscles and skin would compress, blood vessels would rupture, and your organs would be squeezed like an empty tube of toothpaste. You wouldn't even have time to scream before losing consciousness. But let's say, by some miracle, the pressure didn't kill you instantly. It wouldn't matter, because the heat would. Venus is a raging inferno. The surface temperature reaches 465 degrees Celsius, 869 degrees Fahrenheit, hot enough to melt lead. The moment you're exposed, your body would start absorbing heat faster than you could ever survive. You wouldn't just feel hot, it would be like every cell inside you was catching fire at once. Even if the crushing pressure didn't get you first, the searing heat would turn your insides into molten lava. It would feel like you're being slow roasted from the inside out, like toast in a toaster, except you're the toast. And just when you think it can't get worse, Venus throws one last insult. The air is 96.5% carbon dioxide with sulfuric acid clouds. Take even a single breath, and your lungs would burn from the inside. If the planet doesn't crush you or cook you, it'll suffocate you. Venus is beautiful, but deadly. No matter how you go, the result is the same. Survival? 0 out of 10. Would not recommend. Now, let's talk about Mercury, the closest planet to the Sun. Sounds like it should be even hotter than Venus, right? Well, here's a surprise. It's also freezing. On Mercury's night side, temperatures plummet to minus 180 degrees Celsius, minus 290 degrees Fahrenheit. That's colder than Antarctica at its worst. At first, you might feel fine. You'd take a few steps, exploring the barren, cratered landscape. But then, numbness. Your fingers would tingle, then go stiff. That's your body, starting to freeze from the inside out. Within minutes, your muscles would seize up and hypothermia would set in. After an hour, you'd be struggling to move, your thoughts clouded with confusion. Eventually, you'd slip into unconsciousness, your body giving up before you even realize what's happening. But Mercury has another side, a much worse one. On the daytime side, the sun blasts the surface at 427 degrees Celsius, 800 degrees Fahrenheit, just slightly cooler than Venus. The heat alone would be unbearable, but that's not the real killer here. Radiation. Mercury has no atmosphere to shield you from the sun's deadly rays. The moment you step outside, your DNA starts breaking apart like a glitching computer. This process starts in 1,000th of a second. The sun's radiation would mutate your cells at an uncontrollable rate, making survival impossible. Even if your suit somehow protected you, it wouldn't last. The heat would overwhelm your cooling system. Your body temperature would rise past 42 degrees Celsius, 107.6 degrees Fahrenheit, far beyond what humans can survive. You feel delirious, weak, and trapped in your own overheating body. And then, cardiac arrest. Mercury's night side will freeze you. Its day side will fry you. Either way, you're done. Mars sounds like it should be a good place to live. It's the most Earth-like planet in the solar system. Scientists even dream of colonizing it. But here's the truth. Mars is not your friend. For starters, its atmosphere is mostly carbon dioxide. That means taking even one breath without a spacesuit would choke you instantly. But even with a suit, you're still in danger. The atmospheric pressure on Mars is only 0.6% of Earth's. That means if your suit fails, your body won't just run out of air, it'll turn against you. Your blood and bodily fluids wouldn't just boil. They'd expand violently. This wouldn't be a slow death. It would be excruciating and over in 7 minutes. But let's say your suit holds up. You're still not safe. Mars is home to planet-wide dust storms that last for months. While the wind itself isn't deadly, the dust is. It's so fine that it would creep into your suit, clog your air filters, and destroy your life support. Imagine sand slowly cutting away your oxygen supply until there's nothing left. Mars may look like a new home, but trust me, you wouldn't last long. At the very edge of our solar system lies Pluto, cold, distant, and lifeless. The temperature here? Minus 239 degrees Celsius, minus 398 degrees Fahrenheit. Pluto shows no mercy. Any failure in your suit's insulation and the cold winds. Within 30 seconds, your fingers would be frozen, solid. Within 1 minute, the fluids in your eyes and mouth would start to freeze. 2 minutes in, you're unconscious. But here's the worst part. You wouldn't just die on Pluto. You'd stay there, forever. Your frozen body would remain perfectly preserved in the icy wasteland, a human time capsule, in the loneliest place in the solar system. Pluto doesn't just kill you, it keeps you. We complain about bad weather, but out there, there's no air to complain with. Every other planet in our solar system is trying to kill you. Earth isn't just home, it's a miracle. So, the next time you feel like Earth is rough, just remember, it's the only place in the entire solar system where you can breathe, walk outside, and survive. Alright, if you made it this far, you clearly love learning about the weird and deadly. Do me a favor, hit that like button so YouTube knows to show you more crazy space facts. And if you want to see me die on even wilder planets, check out this next video right here.